Hello homeowners, my name is Ely Medina and I am the accounting manager for Briarwick Condominium Owners Association. I was hired in July 2023 and work alongside a team of dedicated accountants responsible for accounting operations, financial reporting, owner receivables, reconciliations, collections support, vendor accounting, and financial controls. The purpose of this presentation is to explain a basic but important question. What is accounting? What are the processes? And why would an association leave approximately $500,000 on the table? What is accounting? At its core, accounting is the process of tracking, organizing, reconciling, and reporting all financial activity. For a condominium association, accounting is not simply paying bills or issuing statements. It involves recording assessment revenue, tracking owner balances and receivables, paying vendors and monitoring liabilities, reconciling bank accounts and financial records, producing accurate financial statements, and ensuring that the association's records reflect actual financial reality. In simple terms, accounting answers these questions. What is owed to the association? What does the association owe? What cash does the association actually have? And do the records support those answers? What are the processes? Good accounting requires processes. At Briarwick, this means reviewing aging reports and owner statements, reconciling historical balances, verifying payments, credits, and adjustments, entering and maintaining accurate data inside the accounting software, producing owner statements, supporting collection efforts, and responding to documentation disputes using supporting records and proof. Accounting is documentation driven. If a homeowner believes a balance is incorrect, we review the records, but accounting requires evidence, payment records, bank proof, statements, receipts, ledger history, or other supporting documents. Why would you leave $500,000 on the table? That question is the title of this presentation because it goes to the heart of fiduciary responsibility. In 2023, Briarwick inherited a serious accounting problem. Samuel Kiteka and I meticulously reviewed 25 boxes containing roughly 70,000 pages of Briarwick records until locating the 2022 Aging Report, a comprehensive 1,200-page document detailing unpaid owner assessment totaling $502,246.44. Much of this review occurred during the summer, working for hours at a time in a non-air-conditioned environment. That was not a small spreadsheet or isolated accounting issue. This was over $500,000 in owner receivables. Following that discovery, I scanned the entire document, page by page, into digital format and manually entered owner balances into QuickBooks, our accounting software. The full reconciliation process took approximately 1 year and 6 months to complete. That is the accounting side of recovery work. Collection results. These efforts produce real measurable results. As of December 2022, owner receivables total $502,246.44. Over the following year and 9 months, the association successfully collected more than $311,000 from that historical balance. That outcome required both reconstruction of the accounting records and active collection enforcement. Samuel Kiteka and I helped identify the historical receivable data. My accounting team and I rebuilt the accounting records, while Samuel was largely responsible for enforcing and driving collection efforts. Certain amounts were removed for legitimate reasons, including statute of limitation issues, proof of payment provided by owners, and units sold without collections. By March 2025, the remaining 2022 balance had been reduced substantially. This is not theory, this is accounting, reconciliation, collections, documentations, and follow-through, owner statements, and transparency. Our accounting team mailed complimentary owner statements by postal service to all homeowners. The purpose was simple: provide transparency and visibility. If an owner believes there is an issue with their balance, our accounting team reviews the supporting documentation. This process is applied consistently for all. Today, Briarwick also has an owner portal where homeowners can access their account balances 24 hours year-round. In addition, owners can make payments electronically and enroll in automatic recurring payments through the auto-pay feature. Financial impact. These accounting efforts also show up in the association's financial results. Cash on hand increased from approximately $72,979 to $261,612, a 258% increase. Reserve funds grew from approximately $1,655 to $116,064. Owner receivables declined significantly. The association moved from a 2023 deficit to surpluses in 2024 and 2025. Accounting matters because numbers affect operations. Numbers affect reserves. Numbers affect vendor payments. Numbers affect repairs, maintenance, and long-term planning. So I return to the original question. Why would you leave $500,000 on the table? From an accounting perspective, the answer is simple. You shouldn't. Associations have a responsibility to maintain accurate records, pursue legitimate receivables, reconcile accounts, and apply consistent accounting processes. At Briarwick, this work requires extensive reconstruction, reconciliation, and sustained day-to-day effort. I hope this presentation was informative, constructive, and helpful in explaining our accounting procedures, financial processes, and the importance of accurate financial management within the association. Thank you. My name is Ely Medina.